Good morning, students. God bless you. Welcome to 9th standard maths class. The last class we have discussed the coordinates of the centroid. In this section, we are also going to see about the coordinates of the centroid. Exercise 5.5, sixth question. ABC is a triangle whose vertices are A 3, 4 and B minus 2, minus 1 and C 5, 3. If G is the centroid and BDCG is a parallelogram, then find the coordinates of the vertex D. This is your question. Okay. The solution, first construct the triangle. This is namely ABC. Also I can write the vertices. This is 3, 4, then B is minus 2, minus 1 and C is 5, 3. Okay, then if G is a centroid, okay, so the all median line intersecting point is G, the centroid. Okay, then listen the question. BDCG is a parallelogram. B, so here mark the point D. Okay, so BDCG is a parallelogram. Okay, BDCG is a parallelogram. Then find the coordinates of the vertex D. What is the vertex of D? This is your question. Okay, so BDCG is a parallelogram. Okay, first find the point G. Okay, G is the centroid of the triangle. So G of x, y equal to G of x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Okay, this is your formula already known. Okay, the G of x1, x2, x3. So 3 minus 2 plus 5 divided by 3, y values are 4 minus 1 plus 3 divided by 3. Okay, which is equal to G of 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 minus 2 divided by 3, 4 plus 3 is 7 minus 1 divided by 3. Okay, G of 8 minus 2 is 6 by 3, 7 minus 1 is 6, 6 by 3. This is equal to G of 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. So 2, the same manner here also x is 2. The centroid of the triangle is 2, 2. This point is 2, this is the point is 2, 2. Okay, given condition is BDCG is a parallelogram. The property of the parallelogram is the diagonals are bisect. The diagonal means BC and GD are bisect. That means the midpoints are equal. The diagonals are bisect in parallelogram. This is the one of the property. That is, midpoints are equal. Midpoint of BC equal to midpoint of C, midpoint of GD. Okay, midpoint of BC. The midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay, now consider B and C. Okay, so minus 2 plus 5 divided by 2, minus 1 plus 3 divided by 2, which is equal to the midpoint of GD. Okay, G is now we get 2, 2. So apply the point x1 plus x2 value is x divided by 2. Then y1 plus y2 value is y divided by 2. Okay, making the simplification, minus 2 plus 5 is 3, 3 by 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 by 2, which is equal to 2 plus x divided by 2, 2 plus y divided by 2. Okay, Equating the like coordinates, 2 plus x divided by 2 equal to 3 by 2. In the same manner, 2 plus y divided by 2 equal to 1. Because 2 by 2 value is 1. Okay. And 2 plus x equal to, so the 2's are cancelled, remaining is 3. Then 2 plus y equal to 2 ones are 2. Okay. And x is equal to 3 minus 2, making the transposition. X is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1. And the same manner, y is equal to 2 minus 2, then y is equal to 0. Therefore, the coordinates of the vertex D is 1, 0. That's all your answer. Have you understood? Okay, next, seventh question. If 3 by 2, 5, 7, minus 9 by 2 and 13 by 2, minus 13 by 2 are midpoints of the sides of a triangle. 3 points are midpoints of the triangle. Then find the centroid of the triangle. Okay, the solution. First draw the diagram. This is the triangle. Okay, the midpoint of the sides. This is given. The point is 3 by 2, 5 and 7, minus 9 by 2 and 13 by 2, minus 13 by 2. Okay. So we give the name. This is A, B, C. This is the vertex. So vertices of the triangle. Let the vertices of triangle is A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2, and C is x3, y3. D, E, F. Okay. The midpoint names are D, E, F. Okay. Okay. This is the centroid of the triangle x, y. Our question is find the centroid of the triangle. Okay. First find the coordinates of A, B, C. Then use the centroid formula to find the centroid value. Okay. First midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB equal to, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. The midpoint of AB is 3 by 2, 5, which is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay. So equating the like coordinates, x1 plus x2 divided by 2 equal to 3 by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2 equal to 5. Okay. And x1 plus x2 is equal to 2 are cancelled, remaining 3. This is equation number 1. Then y1 plus y2 is equal to 2 5s are 10. This is equation number 2. Okay. Then use the midpoint BC. Okay. Midpoint of BC equal to, the point is D. Okay. Midpoint formula, this is x2, y2, x3, y3. So x2 plus x3 divided by 2 and y2 plus y3 divided by 2. Okay. The midpoint of BC is 7, minus 9 by 2. So is equal to x2 plus x3 divided by 2, y2 plus y3 divided by 2. Okay, equating the like coordinates, we get x2 plus x3 divided by 2 equal to 7. Then y2 plus y3 divided by 2 equal to minus 9 by 2. Okay. Then x2 plus x3 is equal to 2 7s are 14. This is equation number 3. And 2 are cancelled. y2 plus y3 equal to minus 9. This is equation number 4. Okay. Then midpoint of AC equal to E. Okay. So x1 plus x3 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y3 divided by 2. The midpoint of AC value is 13 by 2 comma minus 13 by 2, which is equal to, this is x1 plus x3 divided by 2, y1 plus y3 divided by 2. Okay, equating the like coordinates, plus x1 plus x3 divided by 2 equal to 13 by 2. Okay, then y1 plus y3 divided by 2 equal to minus 13 by 2. Okay, the 2 are cancelled, remaining x1 plus x3 is equal to 13. This is equation number 5. Then y1 plus y3 is equal to 2 are cancelled, remaining minus 13. y1 plus y3 is equal to minus 13. This is equation number 6. Okay, then add 1, 3 and 5. We get the left hand side of odd number of equations are x1 plus x2 plus x2 plus x3 plus x1 plus x3 equal to, the RHS sides are 3 plus 14 plus 13. Okay, then 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3 equal to, okay, sum of the value is 30. Okay, so 2 is the common, remaining x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 30. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 30 divided by 2, we get 15. This is equation number 7. Okay, then add even number of equation. Add 2, 4 and 6. We get y1 plus y2 plus y2 plus y3 plus y1 plus y3 equal to, the RHS side 10 minus 9 minus 13. Okay, so finally we get 2 of y1 plus y2 plus y3 equal to minus 12. 10 minus 22 is minus 12. Then y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to minus 12 divided by 2 is 6. This is equation number 8. Okay, so use 1, 3, 5 in 7, we get x1, x2, x3 values, and use 2, 4, 6 in 8, we get y1, y2, y3 values. Okay, put 1 in 7. The seventh equation implies x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 15. x1 plus x2 value is 3 plus x3 is equal to 15. x3 is equal to 15 minus 3. 15 minus 3 is 12. Okay, the same manner, put 3 in 7 and 5 in 7, we get x1 and x2. Okay, then put 2 in 8, we get, the 8th equation implies y1 plus y2 value is 10 from the equation number 2, which is equal to minus 6. Okay, y3 is equal to minus 6, making the transposition, we get minus 10. So minus 6 minus 10 totally minus 16. Okay, the same manner, put 4 in 8 and put 6 in 8, we get y1 and y2. Okay, therefore the coordinates of the points A, B, C are: A is 1, 3, that is x1, y1, B is 2, 7, and C is 12, minus 16. The question is, find the centroid of the triangle. So the formula is g of x, y equal to g of x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Okay, which is equal to g of x1 value is 1 plus x2 value is 2 plus x3 value is 12 divided by 3, y1 value is 3 plus y2 value is 7 minus y3 value is 16 divided by 3. Okay, which is equal to g of 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 12 is 15 by 3, 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 minus 16 divided by 3. Okay, which is equal to g of 1 3s are 3, 5 3s are 15, Then 10 minus 16 is minus 6 by 3. Okay, which is equal to g of 5 comma 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, minus 2. Therefore, the centroid of the given triangle is 5 comma minus 2. Therefore, the centroid of the given triangle is 5 comma minus 2. That's all. Have you understood? Okay, dear students, today's homework, read and write the exercise 5.61 mark in your fair note. Okay, do it well. Thank you. God bless you.